Hi guys! Today in this video, I'll be discussing about how to write an attractive resume, as this is a complete guide on resume writing for job seekers. But before that, I will welcome to you all my YouTube channel, Econ with him. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to me as we enjoy ourselves a lot together as we are all family. Without wasting a time, let's first start with the introduction of resume. As before discussing how to write a resume, we should know what is a resume, as a resume is the first impression that you make on a potential employer. It is the opportunity to highlight what you have done, what skills and experiences you have, and why you are a perfect candidate for the job. Here the question arises, why resume writing is important in the 21st century. It is important to remember that resumes are not just about listing your work experience and education. They should also be tailored to each job application in order to highlight your skills, accomplishments, and qualifications that match the requirements of the position. It is important to note that resumes should not be longer than one page. The more concise it is, the better it is. Next, we will be talking about the basic of resume writing and what are common mistakes we should avoid it. I will try to provide some of the basics of resume writing and help you avoid common mistakes such as first, you should always proofread your resume before submitting it. Second, you should use a clean and simple format that is easy to read. Third, make sure your resume is up to date with relevant information. Fourth, include a professional email address to make it easier for potential employers to contact you. Fifth, include keywords from your resume in your skills section to show that you are qualified for the position. Sixth, avoid using too many different fonts or colors in your resume because they can be distracted and difficult to read. 7. Avoid using acronyms unless they are commonly known or easily understood by someone who doesn't speak your language. 8. Keep it short and concise. One page is usually enough if you have an extensive career has fewer education background, but 2 pages might be necessary if not so much has happened in your career yet. Ninth and last one is use numbers when possible. In addition to the video, there are different types of resumes such as the chronicle resume, the functional resume, the combination or hybrid resume, and the targeted resume. And each type of resume should be tailored to your skill set and experience according to your resume. For example, the chronicle resume, it is a traditional format that lists work experience in reverse chronicle order with employment dates, company names, job titles, responsibilities, and accomplishment. It is best for those who have a consistent work history that shows stability in their career. Second is the functional resume. It focuses on skills instead of work history. It is better for those who are changing careers or have gaps in their employment history that they would like to omit. It can also be used as a way to make up for one's lack of experience or qualification in certain areas by highlighting skills not typically associated with one field of expertise but which are relevant to the position sought. For example, if someone is applying for a sales position but has no sales experience, they can highlight their customer service skills. Third is a combination or hybrid resume. It is combination of the chronicle and resume writing format. It highlights both your work experience and your skills, allowing you to emphasize the skills that are most relevant to the job you are applying for. And the last but not least, a targeted resume. It is a resume that is tailored to a specific job. It highlights the skills and experience that are most relevant to the position you are applying for. It is important to customize your resume for each job you apply for, as this will help you stand out from other applicants. More in the video, what's the deal with cover letters and what are the tips that will help you out? Cover letters are one of the most important documents for a job application. A cover letter is a document that accompanies your resume to highlight your resume skills and qualifications and convince the employer to invite you for an interview. Some people think that cover letters are not necessary or they will not help them get an interview, but it is always better to have a well written one. Your cover letter should be tailored to a specific job you are applying for and should include information about why you would be a good fit for the company. In conclusion, there is the final thoughts and expert guidance as well. As AI technologies are transforming the way we do business and how we create content, it is important for us to keep up with the latest trends in AI and stay ahead of the curve. The future of copywriting is dependent on how well AI writers can integrate with human copywriters. We will, in, we will need to make sure that they are not replacing human copywriters but instead providing assistance to them in order to increase their efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you find it useful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to me and hit the bell icon to all so that you will never miss an update.